The Creuset Toughened Non-Stick collection is versatile, tough, and perfect for everyday use. Its hard-wearing non-stick coating will never flake or peel. Use on any type of hob, including induction, to cook delicious food with little or no added fat or oil. The pans heat quickly and efficiently and will withstand everyday use in even the toughest kitchen. No hot spots for perfect, even cooking. And so strong you can even use metal utensils. Food releases effortlessly, leaving no residue, making Toughened Non-Stick a dream to clean. Experience the outstanding performance of Creuset Toughened Non-Stick. Tested, trusted, guaranteed for life.